Okay, seen that? So remember that if one brow looks thicker than the other, then you do not want to make it thicker by adding more. What you want to do is fill the other one, which is thinner, so they can look the same. So the moment you start shading hard, the brows, they look blocky and they start to fade. So after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is balance the arc. So you're going on the bottom. Okay, this side, for me, this side looked so thick because I put a really thick point there. So remember, the arc shouldn't be too sharp. So if the arc is too sharp, it looks less natural. So you have to soften it and then look at which arc is flatter. Seen that? Don't forget, brows are geometry, so the millimeters matter. Then you can just feel it. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is use your spoolie brush so they look natural. So let me just get my phone camera. Yeah. Spoolie brush. So remember, they have to look natural. Then go this way. Yep. And then the next thing you go in with is your concealer. So I'm just going to use very little, the back of my hand here. Just as little as I can use. See that? I do not know how I did not remember to take my mirror, but then we use the mirror now. So the next thing you want to do, this is where the magic usually happens, is take a very small amount of concealer, very small quantity of concealer, put it on your flat brush. Like I said, I'm going to be making use of this, and apply it underneath both brows. So you're going to notice three things. You're going to notice, the shape. You're going to notice the shape. It's going to give you a good shape underneath. The next thing you're going to notice is a lift appearance. And lastly, you're going to notice it's going to hide uneven lines. So let's go. So you want to blend the concealer into the brush. Mind you, I've taken what I want to take. Look at that. Then downwards. So remember, we're not actually doing an active makeup. We're just trying to give our brow shape again. So make sure you blend the concealer downwards. I'm taking my concealer. Make sure you blend it downwards into the skin so it doesn't look like a halo. Let me take more concealer from my hand, and it's always more advisable to use a brush actually, but then if you do not have it, as long as you have something flat, you can make use of that. If you have a cotton bud, perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the other side to just blend that into my skin. And that's it. Yep. Now the next thing you want to do is take your spoolie brush again and brush till you've had them mixed. And it gives you that natural feel. See that? keep brushing till you get your desired result. So it doesn't look like I drew brows anymore. So here we go. Seen that? So we'll go again on the other end. I mean the other brow. Okay. Yeah, now it's starting to look very natural. So I'm just gonna blend the front of it. Blend here too. Alright. So the next thing you want to do is lightly set with your setting powder. Trying to open this. Yeah. And then you just apply a little. This is to avoid fading, to prevent it from fading or smudging. So oops, I'm just gonna take very little. I mean, I got clay 12, so as little as I can take. Some setting powder. You may have that covered. And you need this setting powder because you don't want one to fade before the other. So this is what we do. Got that? And then next thing you want to do is take this pulley brush again, and then you do your final brushing till you get the shape of your brows. Okay. See that? There's a difference between drawing brows and making your brows look full. So we go with the other two. Okay. If you didn't get that, like I missed this, you can just feel again. You can just feel again. But ensure you're not overfilling. And brush. All right, and then I'm just gonna like take this. There's absolutely nothing on this. There's absolutely nothing on this. I'm just gonna and trust me, with this, I'm ready to go about my day. Okay, and voila. Here I am, looking so natural with my brows. Trust me, when I draw brows, it's totally different. So, this is how you fix uneven eyebrows. This is a temporary fix. This is not permanent. This is not tattooed. So, you might want to try this method when you're going out next time and you want your look to be so natural. Trust me, right now it looks very much like my brows, and you and I know that my brows are not this full. And for a very quick fix, you want a 30-second fix because you're late and you want to go out quickly, all you need to do quickly is just brush the brows upwards, feel the part where there are no hairs, feel the part where there are no hairs, conceal underneath and blend, and you're good to go. That's totally a 30 seconds fix. Mind you, I said 5 minutes, but I needed to take time to give it to you, break it down to you, and give you real life practicals. But trust me, you're doing this in less than 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment, and share.